How to fix Pinterest sound problem easy and quick. Hello guys, if you have sound problem on your Pinterest, I will show you how to fix it now. Let's do it. Just open the settings of your phone first. Click right now on apps option and search for Pinterest and click on it like this. Here you have to scroll down this list. Click on storage, click clear cache and back. Click right now at force, stop and click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store, update Pinterest and restart your device right now, and that's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next video.